Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get NBA 2K25 for free on any platform. You can get this game on Xbox, PC, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch. You're going to be able to get 2K25 for completely free, and it literally takes a few minutes of your time. So I'm going to run through these steps. This is going to get you the full game, early access, as well as obviously when it's released. And yeah, this is going to save you a ton of money because this game is pretty expensive, I believe. I think it's going to be, yeah, there you go, it's going to be around $80 US. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get NBA 2K25 for free. So you need to use a mobile phone. In this example, I've got my iPhone. Doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you have the internet access on it. Now open up the internet on your phone and head on over to the following website: www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, guys. This is a coupon codes website that I discovered, and they have game codes on here. They have some of the latest games actually. So all you have to do, guys, is search in the search bar for NBA 2K, and here we go, NBA 2K25 free game code. So navigate your way to this page. Now these game codes are limited in number, as you can see, guys. So this basically prevents people from stealing all of the available codes, because as you can imagine, and as I showed you, this game is pretty expensive. So this limits one copy of the game per person. So you have to select which platform you want. So you can get PlayStation, Xbox, PC or Switch. So I personally play on Xbox, so I would go ahead and click on this. And this is going to give me a free digital copy of NBA 2K25 for Xbox consoles. Now, as I mentioned, these codes are protected to prevent people from stealing all of the codes. So you need to unlock your personal game code. Now, this will count up to 100%. But let me just cancel this so I don't waste any of these precious codes. But basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, which I know is annoying, but yeah, you are getting a free game for it. You need to just answer some questions in a survey, or download and play some free games. Just follow the instructions and complete 2 tasks. And once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed and you can redeem it in whatever platform you chose. So that is the easiest method to get 2K25 for completely free. Head on over to Top Dog Codes and search for the NBA 2K25 page, select your platform and unlock your game code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.